Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about which fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app. You click here on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we're scrolling down until you find Wizz and you will enter. In this window here of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.